Okay, so it is the morning of the next day, so I am, I think, around 7 DPO, and look what turned up in the post yesterday. It was really funny actually, because I was sat there with Abby and then the postman was like trying to stuff something in the letterbox, as well as Harry's scratch leaves, because if you haven't seen my Facebook, he has got chickenpox now as well. That's just the worst thing ever, right? So, I have 20 of these, and I don't know if you guys do this, but I actually got up during the night and grabbed a sample of urine and then did one just now. So I have 2 lots of urine to test. These are the cassette pregnancy tests, by the way, that I love. Sometimes they give you a bit of a dodgy reading, but... Okay, so I'm going to take a sample off camera. And then, how many drops is it? Doesn't say. Right. 1, 2, let's do 3. And then I'm going to test using this morning's urine. So that was last night, so I put that one there. I'm feeling really, my symptoms are, I don't know if it's my body playing tricks on me, but yesterday I felt so bloated, and you know you get that kind of, it's hard to describe, it's like a kind of ache in your stomach. I literally had that yesterday. I was like so bloated and I felt really nauseous halfway through the night when I woke up last night. It's just super, super weird. So that one's just there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the ink is run across. Just waiting for that one. But yeah, it's like my symptoms are just all over the place, and I bet you anything it'll come back as like a negative pregnancy test for like the whole cycle, and then AF will get me and it'll be like, I can't believe my body lied to me with all these symptoms. It would be really shocking if that happened. Okay, so it's nearly gone all the way across, so I'm just going to give it a few minutes and then I'll be right back. Say hi, ladies. Oh my goodness, look at you. Should we look at your tummy? Stand on the toilet. Oh dear. And your back. Oh, poor Harry. These are the scratch sleeves that we got him. They've got little soft sleeves so that he doesn't...
2 layers.
Is there 2 layers?
Yeah.
It's like silk, isn't it? So you don't damage your skin.
See, 2 layers.
Oh yeah.
I can pull both ways.
Oh yeah, okay.
Silk layer and this layer.
Cotton.
Cotton and then silk.
Get close so they can see your face. Oh, Harry. Is it itchy?
No.
Is it not itchy? It's better now.
Only in my hair. This is itchy.
Oh, have you got any... Whereabouts? You know what, I can't see many. Harry...
I've only got 2.
Oh yeah, you got a few at the back there. Charlie had quite a few in his hair as well. Okay, off you go. Okay, so with these tests, it's better to like give it a lot longer than it says to develop, because you know they're quite cheap. So I can't see anything. This is funny because I'm getting all the symptoms under the sun, like it's really shocking. So this is the 3 o'clock morning one. There's nothing there. Absolutely nothing. This one still looks a little bit more pink, like the ink's almost run. Look. Okay, well, I'm going to leave these on the side anyway, and then if they develop over time, before I've got a chance to edit this video, I will take a photo of them and I'll pop them in right here at the end. Hi ladies! Okay, so I am on my way now to grab my new camera. I've put a reserve in for it and it is here, so I am on my way. Ridiculously excited. I've wanted this camera for like so many years, and now they've brought out the Mark II, so it's like a bit better. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys the quality. Hi ladies! Okay, so I am home and I'm so excited to show you guys. This is my brand new camera. It cost A lot of money. I'm not going to tell you how much it was, but if you want to go and have a look on like Amazon or Argos or anything, then you will find out how much it was. It was a lot of money. So I want to have a really good quality camera to film videos for you guys, so I bit the bullet and paid it, and I'm so glad I did. I cannot wait to see the quality of just my like general vlogging and like pregnancy test videos and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing and kind of showing you guys what I've got. So it looks like there's loads of manuals that no one reads anyway. It's called the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. So there was the G7X, which was really, really popular, and then the Mark II came out, which is meant to be like the better version. Okay, so we have what looks like a cable for a charging dock, so I will just, you can totally tell because it's got like that bit on it. Aha, here we are. So that goes in there, I'm guessing like that. Nope, that way. I don't think it really matters. But there's how you charge the battery. There is one battery. It's really tiny. I can't actually take the battery out of this camcorder. It's like you plug it into the camera and it's already like set in. So that just slots in just like that. That seems quite simple. There should be a little bit of juice in it, so hopefully I can turn the camera on and show you guys. Wrist strap, very important. Yes, I have bought insurance with it, thank goodness, because if I hadn't then I would drop it pretty much as soon as I got out of the shop. Wow, this looks really fancy, look at that. So there's the screen. Let me turn it, oh, can't turn it on because I need to put the battery in, hang on. And it's probably going to say no SD card because the good SD card is in that camcorder. Oh, okay, so it's really cute. It's got like a little clip there, you just push it in and the clip holds your battery. Okay, turn it on. Oh, fancy. So when you turn it on, it looks like that, and it asks you for the date and time. Whoa. Oh, wow. That's a really quick autofocus. Look at that. You can hear it, like, autofocusing. It's such quick focus. That is unreal. Look. Oh, look, you're sat on a box of celebrations. So I couldn't find my tripod in time. That is really smart. I like that. So then it flips down. Okay. I feel like I need to get like a cover for this. Like, you know when you get a new iPhone or a new Android phone and you have to like get a screen protector? I feel like I need to get a screen protector for this. Okay, so going back to the tests I took earlier, they are both negative, but this one, like the ink has really run across and the urine's run across. So if I show you, you can see there's like kind of a line, but it's not. It's just where the urine has stopped and dried and it's like left a line. But what I realised I'd been doing, I was taking 25 MUI strength pregnancy tests when I should be taking 10 MUI. So I bought these and they arrived today. Now, this isn't first morning urine. I kind of see like there's a line trying to appear. Again, it's so early, it's really difficult to tell. I can't even try and get that, but I will try and show you best I can. There's like sort of a line, but not really. I popped into Home Bargains quickly after I picked up my camera, and I got some like eggs and bread and milk and stuff. They've actually got quite a lot there, and I bought a pregnancy test, and I'll show you it in another video. It's a digital one, and it's like $3.75 for one, and I thought that's amazing. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye ladies!